Welcome back. Today on the menu we have a Mexican-inspired Nourish Bowl. Stay tuned. We will be cooking some black beans, grilling some hard cheese which could be either vegan or dairy, and then put the Nourish Bowl together with lots of healthy nutritious vegetables to get that wholesome meal with a Mexican vibe. Another versatile, quick and easy recipe too. As usual, remember to watch the video right to the end for my pro tip, and you can also check out for written recipes and interesting articles on my website, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more interesting content. Thank you. Let's get started.
So we should always start by cooking the item that takes the longest to cook. Here it will be the whole grain rice. So add 1 cup of whole grain rice to an instant pot or pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water and pressure cook in brown rice mode, which is about 30 minutes roughly. If you're using a pressure cooker, you need about 3 whistles and natural pressure release. For microwave, for 1 cup of whole grain rice, you will need 3 cups of water and cook for 30 minutes. I'm using organic black beans in water with no added salt. We need about 2 cans of cooked black beans. These are quite a cheap source of good quality protein, fiber and folate. You can also use dry black beans. Remember to soak them overnight and cook as 2 parts water and 1 part beans for 20 minutes in a pan or in a pressure cooker. Now, rinse these beans thoroughly under running water to get rid of the substances that cause bloating. To a heavy bottomed pan on high heat, add half a tablespoon of olive oil or any oil of your choice. Once hot, add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, which is roughly 3 garlic cloves. Add 2 carrots which are finely cubed, followed by 1 stick of celery which is also finely cubed. This is the size of the celery stick that I used. Sweat them in oil for a minute and then add the dry spices. Add half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon hot paprika powder, or if you want it more spicy, you can add chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and mix everything together. Oh my god, beautiful colors. Using turmeric is not very Mexican, but I added it to get some curcumin for its anti-cancer properties. Add few sprigs of thyme, more antioxidants, and then the rinsed cooked black beans. Add 2 cups of water and a stock cube. Give a good mix and then cover and cook for about 10 minutes in a slow simmer so that all the flavors blend together and cook together very well. Now let's prepare our colorful vegetables for our Nourish Bowl. Start by halving some cherry tomatoes. I have chosen different colors of tomatoes to get all the phytopigments possible. So I've got some yellow, I've got some brownish green, and then some red tomatoes as well. Then cut some cucumbers into small cubes. I find this humble chopper the best way to get some uniform cubes. I'm peeling the mango as the skin is thick, but I prefer to eat it with the skin on, as the skin of the fruits is where there is the highest composition of phytonutrients. Slice the side of the mango by going along the stone and then chop the mango into cubes. I'm actually leaving them in little bowls so everyone can pick and choose what they want. Now for the avocado, cut along the middle and then score with a knife and scoop out with a spoon. My avocado is pretty ripe. Add in a squeeze of lemon juice to stop it turning brown. I've also some boiled sweet corn, and then as you can see, I've got some pea shoots from my veggie patch as well. I'm going to slice some peppers. I have 2 lovely little sweet peppers, red and yellow, and I'm going to have these beautiful purple and pink radishes. More colors for our Nourish Bowl. It's been 10 minutes. Our Mexican black beans are now ready to serve. I did check once in between to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Brush a griddle pan lightly with oil and then place fingers of hard cheese on the pan once it's hot. I'm using hard cheese which is actually vegan, but you can also use halloumi or any grilling cheese of your choice. The exciting part now, getting ready to serve. I have placed half cup of cooked brown rice in the center, which makes up roughly 1/4 of your equal plate. Then our Mexican black beans, about the same amount, to make another 1/4 of the plate on the bowl. And then the rest half of the bowl of the plate is filled with veggies and fruits. Start with some yummy mango. You can add as much as you want. Then our beautiful sliced red peppers, more colorful tomatoes, So exciting. Add in the cucumbers, then the avocado. With the avocado, you can also smash it with lemon juice, salt, and pepper to make a humble dressing and then drizzle all over as well. Add in the radish. Oops, nearly forgot my sweet corn. Can't have enough, can I? Top up with a grilled cheese. That's for the calcium. Then chopped nuts and seeds are always amazing to add. Add them just before you eat so that they maintain the crunchiness. Add some microgreens, which is more antioxidants always. Here I'm using my proud homegrown pea shoots. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice for that added vitamin C. A humble and simple Mexican-inspired Nourish Bowl is now ready to eat. All the nutrients you require in one bowl. Enjoy!
So I hope you enjoy making this Mexican-inspired Nourish Bowl. Every time I eat this meal, I always feel like I'm nourishing my body so well with these colorful phytonutrients and of course fiber. Kids will love this meal because they can pick and choose the colors they like and they can eat it. However, play some games and encourage them to eat all the colors of the rainbow because different colored plant pigments have different nutritional value. So today in our pro tip, we'll talk about black beans. If you came to me and asked me what's the best bean to eat on a daily basis, I would say eat a variety and eat what you like. However, black beans does have an edge. It has more phenolic compounds than most other varieties of beans. So if you have never tried black beans before, go ahead, buy them and try them. You will definitely like them. That's it from me today. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.